Alrighty. This is crazy. It's been a long time since I've done this. Alright, so we're gonna get started. I'm gonna wax my face, show you guys everything I do. Joy. So yeah. I'm gonna pull back my hair because you don't want that in the way. So yeah, I've been seeing a lot of stuff on YouTube about ladies shaving their face with like the little shavers before they do their makeup, because it's like, oh, it's a great process of exfoliation, blah blah blah. Yeah, that's not good, and I'll tell you why in just a second. I'm gonna get all this off of me, and then I'll show you what kind of shavers I'm talking about. And yeah, I rub really hard. My face is real sensitive. Pause, give me 2 seconds so I can show you the shaver. So these are the shavers that people are using. Let me get out of the way. Can you see that? There we go. So those are the shavers people are using to literally shave their face. And I will put that on because I do not need to try that. They're taking it and they're starting from like up here and shaving their face all the way down. Basically like you got a beard and a mustache. And yes, it does leave your skin super soft after it's done. But what people aren't realizing, you're taking this razor and you're cutting that hair at such a blunt edge, your hair's gonna feel kind of stubbly. And yeah, you might not actually have a beard when it fully grows back. And this is what I'm telling you, like, sounds like a good idea, but it's really not. People are born with peach fuzz. I get it. Well, I got some too. Like, I got some, see? Pulling on it. But there's other ways of getting it done. The way that I like to do it, and it's all because of beauty school, is I wax my face. Not gonna lie, I wax my face. So, yeah, I'm gonna show you that. It's probably not gonna be the cutest thing in the world, but yeah, this is gonna happen today. So, on to the show. There's 2 types of waxes. I went like that. 2, sorry. There's 2 types of waxes. One is hard wax, which I primarily use for pretty much everything, because it's made for people with sensitive skin, so it's definitely much more gentle. And then there's soft wax, which for me, I like using soft wax on people's brows because I can get a really good arch, but we're not talking about that right now. We're talking about the face. So what should I do first? Oh, we'll do the hard wax first so you can kind of see what it looks like. I tend to do the hard wax first because it'll get a good bulk of it out there, but then there'll still be some left behind, which is why I kind of like using it. So you won't have like a line where it's like, and that's where she stopped her wax at. It'll kind of leave a few little baby hairs behind to give it that soft, almost faded look. So I tend to use that. Some people want it like all gone, so I'll do hard wax and soft wax. So that's what I'll be doing today to show you so you can get a feel. So I'm going to put on a headband. So I'm not telling you guys to go out and do this at home. Let's throw that out there. So yeah, I'm not making this video so you guys can go out, buy some wax, and attempt to do this on your face. You really shouldn't. Leave that up to the professionals who are licensed estheticians or licensed cosmetologists, because they can do it too. But really, don't go out there and do this yourself. Just because you can buy wax does not mean you should. Trust me, it's gonna end up super bad. So again, do not do this at home. I'm just showing you what I do, so when you go to the salon, you can be a little bit more knowledgeable on the wax that you prefer. Like I said, hard wax is my fave, but people have different strokes for different folks. Who knows? So here we go. My face is already cleansed. I threw back the hair so none of my little flyaways can get in there, or my baby hairs can get in there, sorry. And we're gonna get going. So I'm gonna start with my side here because a lot of people tend to have hair by their like sideburns. So I'll pretty much, for me, because I love my makeup to be super smooth, I pretty much go from my sideburn pretty much down to about like here. Yeah, I go to about here because I want it to be super smooth. And again, I learned this in beauty school. I did tell my instructor, when we first were starting to do this, to start to wax, we had to pretty much wax everything from like eyebrows all the way down to the toes. And when he said we're waxing faces, I nearly freaked out and had a heart attack. I said, if I do this and grow a freaking beard, I'm gonna be pissed. And he goes, no, it won't happen. And honestly, I've been doing this for about 6 years, and no beard, ladies and gentlemen, no beard. So let's get started. I'm swirling my wax. Like I said, I'm gonna do the soft or hard wax first, and then I'll just go over it with soft wax, just because I'm extra weird. Oh. I'm not saying ow because it hurts. I'm just trying not to spell, because trying to do this on camera, hold a mirror, not the greatest idea I've had. So see, this stuff will get nice and hard. Oh, I just put my finger in it. This stuff will get nice and hard. You don't need to use a strip like, where is it? This. Just do this. And I should be wearing gloves, but it's my skin, so I washed my hands. We're solid. So yeah, it's red. I'm gonna do another patch going up a little higher. Now, I'm doing it so I kind of know where I want to stop. Oh shit, oh shit. Okay. So what's great about hard wax is I can go over the same area multiple times without lifting up any extra skin. It's ready. Ew. That was a baby piece that was just chilling there. It definitely pulls out some of like the hairs here. Like I got some wax in there. Ow. This one side. I'm nice and red. I'm gonna keep on doing this, and then maybe I'll even do my lip. Cause yes, lips gotta get done too sometimes, yo. Yes, lips gotta get done too. And it feels really weird because it is just like a piece of wax that starts solidifying on your face. So if they put a lot of pieces, it's gonna feel like your face is in a mold. It's kind of cool. And like I wish you could feel how soft it is, but it's pretty dang soft. Okay. And we're ready for this? Ugh. Oh. Yes, it does kind of suck. Like when someone else does it, it's so much easier because you don't know when they're gonna pull. But when I do it, I know when I'm gonna pull, so it sucks. Alright, I'm gonna do a little bit first so it doesn't spill on my clothes. And FYI, oh shit, going down the face. Oh shit, that was too much wax. I shouldn't be waxing and talking and trying to pay attention to if I'm in focus or in frame. But yeah, when you're getting wax done, you should always, your esthetician should always be using a new stick. Never let them double dip into your wax pot. That's effing gross if they do. If you see that, stop it immediately. You don't know what's in the pots. Like, it's called cross-contamination. People's dead skin cells are in there. It's not cute. We don't ever double dip. They should always have a new stick for each time. You know what, let me put this on first. And again, it's not like I have noticeable hair, but I just like it gone. Mustache got a little too big on one side. Oh. Lips will never get any easier, people. And then I just swirl the hair in there. And I just saw some little blondies glistening in the sun. The hair on your face doesn't grow back as fast as you think it does. So like you don't have to do this like every day, like if you had to shave. You can do this. I have people that can do it like once every 3 weeks, once every 4 weeks. So it's honestly, oh shit. That's what I get for talking. I'm trying to do this. Okay. It's on my boob. A little section of my boob is getting waxed today. That sucks. I really wish you could see all the little baby hairs that come out, but you can't. So let me get the one off my boob first. Oh, and it's on my mirror. Ow. Okay, that hurt. Oh shit. Like for real though, my skin feels so smooth. Not gonna lie. Again, it wouldn't affect me so much if I wasn't the one doing it. So, done with the hard wax. Yay. I'm gonna show you what soft wax looks like. I'll probably just do a couple of pieces on the sides. I don't want to do too much because I don't have very much left. I don't put with the hair growth. That was more than I wanted to do. Whoops. Oh. So I have to put the strip over it, push it on down, hold my skin tight, and pull. Oh. I'm just doing this to get any wax off my face. No. There we go. And then lay it on down and pull it off. Face is done. It's, I almost fell off my chair. So there's sticky stuff, residue left behind. I like to use tea tree oil because tea tree is antibacterial, antifungal, anti-everything. So I like to put that on after I wax since the pores are pretty much open, and it'll just kind of help keep them cleaner for a little bit longer. So I grab a little tea tree and I put it on a little 4x4. Oh, I just dropped it on me, damn it. And then I wipe it as I just smack myself wherever I got waxed. If you decide to go get this done somewhere, anytime you wax, your skin's gonna be red. Like, don't expect to go get waxed and then immediately head out somewhere because you're gonna have a little red face. and that's totally normal. So yeah, done. Got tea tree on. I love the way tea tree smells. Some people don't, but you'll get used to it if you decide to do this. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'm so excited. Haven't done this in a minute, so I'm glad to be doing this. If you want to see anything else, let me know. I'm so happy that I did this. Thanks, guys.